Here's the situation. I had to pull that wooden thing off of there, but this is too tight, so I've got to get something thinner to slide in there. So I'm going to measure that diameter, and then I'm going to cut something to slide in there so that it covers that area. And we'll see how we do with that. I've just got to get something that is about, I would say, 10 inches across. So I need a pot that's about 9 to 10 inches across. And that should work. And then we'll put it up there and see how it looks. We're gonna find a big lid. And then I think that's too big.
No, I like it big.
Yeah, that's what I heard. All right, so anyway, here, pull this, pull it,
Why?
so I can see a measurement of it.
Yeah.
How big is that?
10 something.
Let me see how big it is.
It's fine.
Can you just for my amusement, please?
It's fine.
All right, 10. All right, so make a circle with the thing, and then we'll cut it. We need something to write with. Okay, here we go. Circle, circle. Oh, she's gonna do it there.
Just in case I want it for something else.
Okay. Yeah. Go all the way around.
Did that work?
I don't know.
Perfect.
Okay, now we need the scissors.
Yeah, I wonder if that's going to cut enough of it.
I think it'll work. We got to get the scissors. Here they are. All right.
I need my better this guy from the other room, I think.
I think this will cut it if you try.
Well, I have scissors.
Here. See how it works.
Yeah, these suck.
We'll just give it a shot. See what happens. If they don't work, we'll get the other ones. Oh, that's good. That's working. It's too bad it doesn't have like tape on this side, so you can just tape it up there.
I'll just hot glue it up.
And hot glue it. Okay, and then we got to put something in the middle and make a circle. And cut that circle out. Doing good. You're almost there.
The scissors suck.
You're doing great. For a left-handed person, phenomenal. You follows me?
Well, I have learned to use right-handed scissors even though I'm left-handed. When I've tried left-handed scissors before,
Yeah.
I cannot cut with them.
Did you know that
They're
Jimi
like-
Hendrix played a regular guitar upside down and backwards because he was left-handed?
I think I kind of remember.
It's kind of like what you're doing right now, only different.
Fix that after.
You're doing so good. Now we're going to use this side of it or the other side?
No, the other side.
Oh, the other side. All right.
Why do you think I drew?
I don't know. Why'd you draw? I think that's perfect. Bam, done.
Yeah.
Let's see what it looks like. Flip it over. All right, so that's going to go.
That's so cool. What do you mean you don't think
All right,
I like
so
that?
you need to make you got to make some, you got to cut the center out of it.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
yeah.
And I think you might only have to,
All I'm going to do is cut it and then put it on it because it'll bend over it, you know?
right, that's what I'm thinking.
So how big of
I'm
a
thinking
circle?
that all you do is,
Like bigger than this? Is that too big?
no, you got to make smaller. Smaller,
Small.
yeah.
Like this?
Yeah, something like that. Let's go measure it and make sure.
Yeah, go measure it.
Let's go take a look
go
at
fucking
it.
measure it.
All right, so where's the measuring stick? Measuring stick, please. Measuring thing. All right. All right, so I'm thinking that it's... All right, I got to get back up on the chair and measure this. All right, so the thing is that... Let me pull this out. I'm going to lock on it about like that. So the thing is I got to get at least... I got to get it smaller than that. So I probably want it about, I'm thinking, no more than 5 inches, the center hole. You see what I mean? Because it's, yeah, that should work. About 5 inches. So it slides around this whole doohickey there. You know what I mean? Jelly beans? A protractor
No.
that we can set on there?
No, I do.
Oh, wait a minute. Do you have a piece of string?
I have a piece of string.
And we can do it that way. All right, so we're going to put a pencil and a pen to make our drawing because we don't have a protractor.
So here.
So if you hold that,
To here.
and then you put your, just put your pen on it, and then follow it around.
Wow.
Just hold it like you're doing it good. You had it right there. Get it right in the center. Then put your pen on it, right on one of these dots.
Yeah. How does that? How?
You grab it with your finger, and you
Yeah.
put the pin on it, and then you just go around with it. You have to hold the rope too. You got to hold
Okay, I have 2 hands.
Yeah, you have to hold the.
Here, do it then. I don't know what you mean. Do that.
Listen to me. Listen to
Hold that.
me.
You hold this thing. Hold this in the center.
Oh my God, you're just amazing.
Hold that there.
There you go. Jeez, oh Pete.
So here.
And just go around, but you got to keep it even. Keep going. Don't double it. You're losing. You got to have tension. Tension on the string. Okay, stop. Let's bring it up.
Going this way.
Yeah,
Where you going?
turn the thing around so you can get the other side.
What? I was just.
Bring.
I was
Yeah,
just
but
coming
no,
the
you
other
can't
way.
come around on me because I'm gonna have my arm in the way. So turn this around.
Oh,
Okay, now
okay. Just has to be somewhere.
keep tension on the string.
Nope.
Oh, you just fucked
I
that up,
turned it.
didn't you?
Yeah.
Jesus
that-
Christ.
I'll figure it out. There.
Okay, hang on. Hang on, wait, I gotta get in the hole. All right, go ahead. Okay, I think you got it.
Probably close enough,
Hey,
right?
Yeah. Shit, that's perfect. Oh, you're a genius. You thought of that all in your own brain. Yeah. No. You're gonna cut it from the side
Cut
up
it in. Okay, yeah.
and then go around. Just remember, these aren't the ones you got.
Yeah.
And you can go all the way through it.
Yeah, I know.
And then you can get to the side. Then just go right around.
I'm going to do a little bit bigger
Oh, that probably is a mistake.
because then we can always come smaller.
No, you can't, because once you take it away,
Oh, wait.
then you ain't got anything left.
I forgot. It was the other way around is what I wanted to do.
Yeah.
That's okay. So that was just like barely anything. It's so ridiculous, all this stuff.
You're a genius. I call you genius, lady, because you're genius. Your genome is geniusly. Okay, now we got to go slip it up there and see if it works.
Huh.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Let's go. Here we come, Mr. Light.
The circle looks too big to me.
All right, go on up.
Yeah, it looks too big. I didn't go up here and measure.
Oh, well, don't worry, it's gonna work.
Huh?
Good. All right, so you got to get one side on, and then get the other side.
Can't see.
You got to pull it towards you.
Oh, there's plenty of room. So that's fine, right?
It's got to come towards you because I see a gaping hole in this.
Where?
Yeah, it's got to come towards
Me?
towards your left hand.
Towards my left hand.
Yeah.
This way?
Yeah,
And then this way, maybe?
right there. Let go.
How's that?
Okay.
That looks fine, don't it?
Yeah.
So what we do have to do is how to figure out how it's in the center.
Well,
you know?
well, just let go of it. Let go of it. All right. So
Great.
your idea of not cutting a lot probably would have been good because you would have had more room. All right. So.
So dirty this patio when you get on the chairs. I don't know where it should
All right. I think that's gonna work. That looks good. We just got to glue it on the ceiling.